Hello, it's Hanno from the Dynamite workshop again. I'll show you how to work one of these crank ties to tie something on your truck or tie something around something. So anyway, here you have it. It cranks like this. You put your end in here, just wrap it around that inner wheel and start cranking, and it'll wind it up. All right, and it gets shorter and shorter, or tighter and tighter. And to open it, you have to move it all the way like this. Then on top here, loosen it, crank it one more, so it's really all the way open. And then on the inside here, you push this back toward your hand to let it loosen there, you see, and then you can untie it here. There we go. Thanks for watching.